Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to connect TikTok to Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Apps. In the search bar, type TikTok and select the official TikTok app from the results. Click the Install button to add the sales channel to your store. Once the app is added, click on the Setup Now button on the TikTok Shop card. You will be prompted to connect your TikTok business account. Enter your credentials and log in. Next, under the TikTok Business Center account section, click Connect. Under the TikTok Ads Manager section, choose to create an account, fill in your title, and update your phone number as necessary. When you reach the data sharing section, choose whichever level selection is necessary for your store setup. Review the data sharing permissions and click Confirm to allow the two platforms to sync. Next, locate the company information section and click Setup to input your business details. Once done, click the Finish Setup button, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect TikTok to Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.